Hi guys! Today we're making a delicious Italian pizza margherita. Now we gently stretch the dough into a beautiful round pizza. Next comes our simple Italian tomato sauce. Spread it gently over the dough.
Add fresh mozzarella, beautiful basil leaves, and just a little olive oil.
Now bake it in a very hot oven until the crust is golden and the cheese is perfectly melted. And look at that! Crispy, cheesy, fresh, and absolutely delicious. If you like my recipe, try it at home. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.